Hello, I'm CG Yin. This is a quick video to show how to add fonts in Photopea. After starting Photopea, we can go to a new project and select the template I will use, YouTube thumbnail, and then create a new project. Next, we can go to Type 2 and go to the top option bar. We can find the fonts here. If we want to add fonts, we can click Load Fonts. And then we can go to the file folder and go to C drive if you are a Windows user, and then go to Window and find fonts over here. But in the default setting, we don't have permission to open this file folder, so I cancel it. I go to the C drive and then go to Window and find fonts. And we can select the font here and copy by using Ctrl+C. And we can go to desktop and create a new folder. I call it Arial. And then open it and Ctrl+V to paste the font here. Now I go back to Photopea. And then we can go to the fonts, load fonts again, and go to the desktop that we found the Arial fonts that we pasted before, and I press Ctrl+A to select all and open it. And then we can press OK to add the fonts to photo editor and wait a moment, and then we can go back to fonts and we can find Arial here and choose it, so we can type add font with Arial font. So this is how we can add fonts in Photopea. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yin. See you in the next video.